Good job! Well done! Fantastic! Perfect! That's great! Nice work! Excellent! That's really remarkable! Good grades! What a nice dress! You look great! This dish is delicious! You look very good in that suit. This tie looks nice on you. You have a nice voice. You look very handsome. I like your haircut. What a beautiful house! What a nice apartment! I really must express my admiration for your speech. How kind of you to say so. It's nice of you to say so. It's very kind of you to say that. Really? I'm not sure about that, actually. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. It was nothing, really. I'm delighted to hear that. Thanks for your compliment. Wouldn't it be a good idea not to? There appears to be something wrong with. I was expecting, but. Sorry to bother you, but. I want to complain about. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about. I have to make a complaint about. I don't understand why. Excuse me, but there is a problem. Would you mind? I'm so sorry, but this will never happen again. I'm sorry, we promise never to make the same mistake again. I can't tell you how sorry I am. I wish it never happened. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Sorry, but it's not our fault. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. I like dogs. I love cooking. I enjoy playing football. I'm crazy about pizza. I'm fond of rock music. Do you like tennis? Yes, I do. I don't like him. I can't stand these people. I can't stand this smell. I don't like washing dishes. I hate going to the dentist. Are you sure? Are you sure about it? Are you certain about it? Do you think it is true? Do you think so? How sure are you? Yes, I am certain. I'm 100% certain. I'm absolutely sure. I have no doubt about it. I'm sure about it. I don't think there can be any doubt about. I'm not sure about it. I doubt it. I'm not really sure about. I don't know for sure. It's very unlikely. I have my own doubts. I don't think so. I don't believe this is true. There's some doubt in my mind that. I'm not 100% sure. Do you feel like going for a walk? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Would you like to play cards? Would you like a cup of coffee? What about a cup of tea? I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. Thank you for your kind invitation. I'd love to, thanks. I'll be glad to do so. Thanks, I like that very much. That's a great idea. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. I can't, sorry, I have to work. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. I'm afraid I won't be able to come. I'm afraid I'm busy tomorrow. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. Can you give me the book? Could you please take off your raincoat? Could you please take me to the dentist? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Could I ask you to take me home? Can you tell me what happened? Would you come to my birthday party? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? Sure, I'd be glad to. I'd be happy to. Sure, just a moment. No problem. Of course. Certainly. All right. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, but... I'd love to, but... Sorry to say that.